two more phones from Doogee. This time we got two super massive rugged phones from Doogee. This one's got a projector. This one's got a laser rangefinder. So we're gonna be testing these out, unboxing them, comparing them, maybe throwing them around a bit since they're claiming to be rugged. We'll see about that. But these are like the big battery ones. These are like the big boys. We'll start with the V Max LR. So this one comes with Smart Gemini AI. It's Android 15. It's a MediaTek D7300 processor. It's got 45-watt fast charging. It's got a 6.78-inch FHD plus 120 hertz screen, and it's got a 40-meter laser rangefinder. And like I said, it's 20,500 milliamp hours. And it's got a 200 megapixel ultra clear main camera and a 20 megapixel night vision camera as well. That's the V Max LR, so let's get it open. Okay, Max Laser, always ready. 512 gigabyte, 36 gigabyte RAM. Whoa, what? What? It comes with a carrying case? No way. I love that. That's so sick. There it is. Uh-oh, came with EU plug. But that's okay. Most phones these days don't even come with a block, so just a rubber cord, type C to type C. Very nice. In this little zipper, we have some paperwork. We got the energy rating, screen protector accessories, an extra screen protector, a limited warranty card, a SAR value specification, and a user manual. Now we have the phone. Okay, it's not as much of a brick as I thought it would be. It's more like actually kind of wide. Oh, it's got like a, what the heck is this? This bad boy's got a handle on it. Why do I like this? I think that's a leather strap. Yo, what the heck? That's so clean. This is like a weapon now. So it does say IP68, IP69, so I guess we'll have to test water. Mil standard 810H. It looks like it has a SIM card and a TF card slot on the side underneath the strap right here. And there's your plug-in, and it is waterproof because it's got a cover on the port. It's pretty solid on there too. So before you dunk it in water, make sure that's closed. On the side, looks like that's the power button. And then you got volume down, volume up. Looks like you got some ventilation there. Oh, it's like a MagSafe. I've been meaning to use this. It's a pretty cool little thing. Oh yeah, that's right on there, buddy. You have a little MagSafe ring. I think this is a removable case in case you don't want the MagSafe. We'll try and take it off later. I think it's what includes the strap. So if you don't want the strap, you can take it off. And then you have your cameras back here, but you have your 200 megapixel main camera, 20 megapixel night camera, and you have a flashlight on the back as well. And then the top, that's where the laser is right here. I think that's it. Oh, there's a little lanyard slot like at the bottom here. Okay, so on the back, these are where the two camping lights were hidden away, just to see. Okay, that's the Doogee V Max LR, fully unboxed. Now we're gonna take a look at the Doogee V Max Play. That's the one with the projector. Doogee V Max Play. So this one's got Android 15 operating system. It's got a Dimensity 7300 chip. It's got 45-watt fast charging, 6.78-inch FHD plus 120 hertz bigger display. And like I said, it's 20,500 milliamp hours. And the same cameras, the 200 megapixel main and the 20 megapixel night vision camera. It's got an autofocus projector, supposedly 480p resolution. We'll see. It's got 130 decibel loudspeaker. It's got 1200 lumen dual camping lights, and that's pretty much it. That's all the specs for the V Max Play. Let's get it open. I wonder if this one also comes with a carrying case or not. Yay. Oh, that's so cool. I love that. You might not use this for your main phone, so it's cool that you have like a case to store it away for later if you just use it for camping. You know, sometimes people don't go camping very often, but when they do, maybe they want their camping phone. Oh, but I can't find it. Well, now you got a case. Okay. We get the same treatment. We get the EU block. At least it's got a little logo on it and stuff. It's kind of cool. Fast charging block. Get the same size Type-C cable. Yeah, so same exact stuff pretty much. Inside, same packaging. The laser one has like better performance overall, but this one has projector. Depends on what you like, I guess. You want laser or you want projector. Okay, so yep, same exact thing. It's the same phone. We got the leather strap here. We got the TF card in the SIM card slot, the projector button. Got the two random buttons that are unlabeled over here, mystery buttons. We got volume up, volume down, and the power button. We have the same MagSafe case with the leather strap, same 4 cameras. Cosmetically, it looks exactly the same outside of this part. This one's the projector, this one's the laser. Other than that, yeah, it looks exactly the same as the other one. I think on the back with the case off, pretty much the same. Yeah, literally exactly the same. Here we go. Let's see if they're charged. Doogee. Okay, this one's at 94%. This one's at 84%. That's not bad for having sat here for a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take these little labels off and I'm gonna get them set up and connected to the internet real quick. Looks like they both have Gemini. They're pretty much the same. Okay, now we're gonna test out a YouTube video to see the visual clarity and whatnot. That was the projector for the V Max Play. We'll just show the flashlight on this since we aren't going to be able to get that outside. Flashlight. Wow. Camping light. Operate. Oh yeah, that one's way brighter. Okay, I'm gonna point it at you guys. Pretty bright, huh? Okay. Oh, you could set a timer for it. You could do SOS. Well, it's got 3 different modes. And brightness, you can go from, this is the lowest, and you can go all the way up to 100. Wow. Pretty bright. Light up this whole room. Not bad. Very bright. Okay, here's the Laser Rangefinder app. So we're just gonna go with length for now. So it's already set to length up here. I'm just gonna hit this big orange button that says turn on infrared, and I'm gonna point it at an object. I wanna know how far away it is. So let's say that wall over there, or this wall right here. From here to here, I'm gonna hit turn on infrared, and I'm gonna point it, and you'll see the little laser dot. There it is. And it says measuring distance. And there's your response. It's 0.879 meters away. So about a full meter almost, which is pretty accurate. Definitely a useful tool. Okay, so I have the toolkit open. There's a bunch of cool stuff that you can have on the phone. There's a height meter. Okay, we have a compass. We're compassing. Okay, cool. I know that way's north, so that's right. Gradienter. Okay, so this shows like level. Let's see if my lawn is level. Yeah, -4 degrees. Not good. You can hang pictures. You just kind of point this at the picture and just make sure it's straight. See how my fence is not straight? Boom. They could have used this, but they didn't. We have a magnifier. Let's zoom in on this soccer ball. Not bad. Okay, it's basically just a zoom in, and there's also a flash on it. It's so windy today. What the heck? We got an alarm bell. We got like a strobe light is going. Alarm. And screen flash. Well, I think you guys know what that is. It just flashes all the colors. You get a plumb bob. Okay, kind of cool. Fishing stuff. Sick. Protractor. Cool. A noise test. Ah! 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 Okay, that works. My neighbors must love me, dude. We got a pedometer, so you could just start tracking your steps. Good to know. That's kind of cool. And the last one, we have the underwater camera. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It comes with a bunch of cool tools. Comes with a camping light, strobe light, defense. Comes with a loud noise, scare off bears or something. I don't know. Pretty cool little device. So overall, the one with the projector, very cool. 10 out of 10. I like it. It's sick. And next up, we have the V Max Play. I'm just gonna drop it down. This one still has that little screen protector on it, so should be safer than the other one. Okay. Screen down, everything looks perfect. Maybe a little dirt there. That's about it. Okay, then we're gonna go on the back with the case on. Nothing broken. Then we're gonna just drop it on the corner. Okay, like just a little dusty. Okay, corner's good. Next up, I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take the case off and I'm just gonna drop it on the back and make sure it'll survive with the case off too. All right, now we're just gonna drop it on the back with the case off. Okay, everything looks pretty good. And I just want to drop it like directly on the projector just to make sure. It's got like little raised edges, so I'm not too worried. And this is with the case off. Just for like ultimate worst scenario. And it's good. Cool. Okay, so last but not least, I want to try and like, does this do anything? It's a little stand. There's a little stand on the back and it's MagSafe. That's cute. It's a pretty heavy phone and it works pretty well. You can even adjust the height. So now we're just gonna like water test. Let me get a bucket and I'll be back. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try the water test. I even have the leather strap on. Let's do it. I'm recording a video too. Here we go. Nice. Still works perfectly fine. It's probably loading an ad. Huh? Nice. Got some OLED test. Cool. Everything worked. Guess we'll leave that drying. And we'll grab the other one and we'll test that, make sure that one also still works. Now we have the LR version. This is the laser one. So I'm just gonna start a recording real quick. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right, so we're just gonna take a look. Here's the apps. It's got a bunch of cool stuff. It's got a game booster in case you're like a gamer. It's got an FM radio app, sound recording. It's got a bunch of cool built-in apps, but we're gonna take a look at the Toolbox app. And yeah, it's the same app. So you got the height meter, compass, gradient, flashlight, the hanging paintings, magnifier, alarm bell. It's all the same stuff, so. Pretty cool. So inside the Toolbox, essentially, you know, they're pretty similar devices, but yep, does the same exact thing. Okay, so now we're just gonna rugged test these bad boys, see if they live up to their military standard or not. I'll probably try and test it with the case on and off, see how it goes. This is the LR, so we're just gonna try screen down. This is the one that doesn't have the screen protector on it. I accidentally peeled it off. So we'll get a true test of performance. No screen protector. Screen down first, why not? All right, just the dog hair on it. Nice. No screen protector. Screen straight down. Not bad. I like the little handle. Okay, next up we're just going to drop it on the corner. Here we go. Still good. Still working. Don't actually see any damage on the corner at all. Cool. Okay, now we're just going to drop it like on the back with the case on. Here we go. See if the cameras survive. Okay, nothing broken. They got a little raised edge across all this, so perfect. Okay, and now we're going to just take the case off, I think. And I'm going to just drop it straight on the back just to see if it still has protection without the case. Okay, I mean, nothing's broken. Everything looks good. Cool. All right, now we have the LR version. We're just going to do a quick water test on this one. Here we go. Drop right in the bucket. Oh, forgot this watch is not really waterproof. Is it still recording? Yeah, everything still works. Literally dripping with water. Still perfectly fine. Nice. Okay, water test complete. That was Doogee Max LR and Max Play. Pretty cool, passed rugged test. Definitely highly recommend these bad boys. They can take whatever you throw at them, so 10 out of 10. That's pretty much it. Also, make sure to click link in description if you want one for yourself. Laser or projector, up to you. But click link in description so you can see and get one for yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Peace.